What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. My name is Vince Perri, and today I want to talk about mindset. Every single week I come at you with something different, whether it's sales, marketing, exit strategy, how to scale to sell your business, whatever it is. I always talk about business, but honestly, what I have noticed that separates super duper successful people from your average Joe, or for people trying to get there, quite frankly, more often than not, it's mindset. So what I want to talk about to you today is the 5 G's of a growth mindset. I've talked about it on social media, but I'm going to get into the weeds with it and tell you what it's all about, and the 5 G's that you need to do and start acting upon today to take your business and your life to the next level. Let's get into it right now in 3, in 2, in 1. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the show, and I can't wait to talk to you about the 5 Gs. Shout out to my business coach, Dan Martell. Did a lot of research on it, and so I have to give him the credit and the respect where it's due for really, honestly, just really waking me up a little bit when I was in a little bit of a lull, because it happens for all of us. And it really just comes down to these 5 simple things that you can implement on your day-to-day, or when you're feeling down and when you're struggling, to really take your game to the next level. Now, before we start, I want to make sure that you download the free VCR roadmap. But before you do that, like, subscribe, follow me on all social media platforms. Make sure you share this video with somebody that you think that it will help, because I know that you're going to like it. And also in the description, you're going to see 2 things that you could download today that could really help you get going in your business. Number 1 is the VCR roadmap. It's the Value Clarity Report Roadmap, which basically breaks down exactly how we build our value clarity reports to help value accelerate people's businesses that you can implement yourself. And it's completely free. Just download it, put a lot of time into it. It's about 17 or 18 pages long, and I think you're going to actually really like it and put it to good use. The second thing is the exit readiness assessment. If you're even thinking about exit, or you've thought about exit, take this assessment. It's based on the 4 capitals of structural capital, social capital, customer capital, and human capital, and it's going to score you based on how you are in your business. Those 4 things are the most intangible things that will put the maximum multiple on your business. So if you don't think, or you think that your exit readiness, this score is going to actually help you determine whether you really are ready or not. So go ahead, it takes about 90 seconds to do. So let's get into it right now. Today I'm going to give you the 5 Gs to a bulletproof growth mindset. This is how I built myself up, honestly, after getting punched in the face. I was having a couple of down weeks. I went on a long vacation with my family. I came back and I couldn't really get back going again. When I heard these things, these are things that I practice on, honestly, on a pretty much a daily basis, but you're going to go through times. You're going to go through times where you just hit rock bottom. Just 2 years ago, I was almost bankrupt, but quite frankly, following these 5 Gs and making sure that I put myself in the proper mindset was able to take me really to where I am today, which is just feeling really, really good about myself, launching a new business, having scaled several businesses already just in the last couple of years, and feeling really, really good. The big idea to understand is that growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens by decision. And you decide whether you want to live differently or not. You decide whether you want to lead differently or not. So I'm going to give you a pretty cool framework of these 5 Gs that every high-performing, high-earning, and high-integrity leader must know in order to just really get going again in the face of adversity. The first G is ground, okay? Ground. What does ground mean? That is being present. That means focusing on the now. That means that you have to be here now, because ultimately, mastery comes from presence, not distraction. Presence is power, being in the moment, and getting rid of distractions. There's a great book by Dan Sullivan called The Gap and the Gain. And the problem that we have is that the gap is the gap from where we are now to where we want to get to, but it's like a horizon. As entrepreneurs, we're constantly have new goals, new things that we want to get after, and that horizon keeps going more and more. If we keep focusing on that future of where we want to get to, it's going to make us depressed, because we always have a new horizon that we set out to. It's important to stay in the now, to stay in the present, in that moment, to make sure that you can not only appreciate what you've got in that moment, but also allow you to just really get moving and taking action and getting going. So number 1 G is ground, which leads me to number 2 is guide. Guide is making sure that you guide your mind. The thing is that your mind creates stories or events, and if you don't guide it, if you don't guide your mind in the right direction, it can make more meaning out of things that don't support your life. Because Ultimately, your mind is what creates your story. So therefore, you must choose that story. You must choose the story that you create. The story you tell shapes the road you drive. And you could fool yourself all day if you want. Tell yourself some crazy, fascinating, fictional story that's maybe fictional right now, but could actually be accomplished in the future. Because then that's the story that you're going to tell once you're able to reach some of those dreams and some of those expectations. But in the moment, make sure that when it gets negative, when it gets down, or whatever it is, change it. Change it immediately. Guide your mind towards the story that you want to actually accomplish and towards the story that you want to tell. We've got ground, we've got guide. Now let's get to grab. Grab is grabbing the moment. Grabbing the moment and taking action. Act in the moment. And it's not just big things. It's the little things. It's the small shifts that create big gains. So don't worry about having to accomplish some big things. Sometimes it's just the minimal stuff. What I learned here is the MINS. MINS stands for the most important next step. What is the most important next step for you to take right now? There's a great book called The One Thing, okay? And the one thing is basically taking out and going backwards. What's the one thing that you want to accomplish? Now, in order to get to that accomplishment, what's the one thing you need to accomplish this year? What's the one thing you need to accomplish this month to achieve that year? What's the one thing you need to accomplish this week to achieve that month? What's the one thing you need to accomplish in the next 24 hours to achieve that week? And what's the one thing you need to do right now to accomplish what you need to accomplish over the next 24 hours? It's the small steps. It's not about the long-term commitments. We've got those long goals. That's okay. Instead, start today in this moment by doing anything. We all know what gratitude is. Honestly, I think it's the easiest way to stay in a positive mindset because you could literally do what I learned from our therapist that we had on the show, Dr. Kelly Crow, which is practice the pause. Practice to pause, take a step back, and be grateful for what you have. Be grateful for what we have right here and right now, the roof over our heads, the relationships that we have, the friendships, the people that support us, the car that we drive, whatever it is that you could be grateful for, be grateful. Because ultimately, when you're experiencing a moment, if you don't take the time to get in the present and be grateful for that moment, you're not going to have a lasting memory of it. Because ultimately, gratitude amplifies joy and it locks in meaning. If you aren't grateful in the moment, you're going to forget, it's going to pass you by, and you're not going to store it in your memory. So gratitude is the fourth G. And then the last G is grow. Grow is just becoming more, okay? Every successful person always knows that no matter what accomplishment they achieve, no matter where they get to, there's always another level. There's always another gear that they can go to. Now, with that said, you have to have self-compassion because we're talking about, getting your mindset right and making sure that you're following all of these things. But when you do grow, there's going to be new devils. New levels requires new devils. And in that, you have to have compassion for yourself. The highest performers in the world know that there's always going to be mistakes. There's always going to be things that are going to happen throughout that growth that are going to affect you. But it's enjoying the journey. It's not so much about the result while you're growing. It's really getting into the fulfillment of the journey of you growing as a person, as a professional, as a parent, or whatever it is, as you are growing into that next level that you want to get to. It's ultimately about giving yourself permission to fail, okay? Compassion converts errors into excellence, okay? So as you're growing, new levels will require new devils, but give yourself some compassion and give yourself grace as you go throughout that process. Don't forget, guys, that was our show. But before, I want to recommend 3 books to you. Before I do that, again, I just want to remind you to make sure that you go ahead and download the VCR Roadmap. It's going to be super beneficial for you if you want to really scale your business through value acceleration as opposed to just revenue. And then if you're thinking about exit, check to see if you're actually exit ready with the assessment that we have below. It just takes 90 seconds for you to go ahead and do that. So let's recap before I get into the books. Ground yourself in the now. Guide your mind with better stories. Grab the moment and take action. Gratitude for everything that you have around you. If not, the memories will flee. And grow through grace and grit. So The 3 books that I want to recommend to you is one that was really great for me if you're going through something really difficult, is The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday. The next book that I want to recommend to you, which was just mind-blowing, amazing book. I just wanted to end my day so I can get to my reading time to read this book and to finish this book. It's called The Untethered Soul by Michael Singer. And then Mindset by Carol Dweck, the growth mindset versus the fixed mindset, where we should always have a growth mindset so that we're constantly learning and we're growing and just taking ourselves and educating ourselves as much as possible. And the homework, guys, today is I want you to take one of the G's and I want you to pick one. And I want you to focus on that one G over the next 30 days that you could implement into your mindset so you can take your life to the next level. That's what we got, guys. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I hope you enjoyed that video. Growth mindset. Let's get all into it. 5 G's. Shout out again to you, Coach Dan Martell, for that video. It really was very inspiring and I really enjoyed it. And I've honestly shared it with so many people now just in the last week. It's pretty insane. So guys, again, like, subscribe, follow, do all those things. Get those free things that we have in the description. I won't let you down. And shoot me a message on Instagram if you ever have a chance. Thank you, guys. We'll see you next week. Peace out.